Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to English class. So, in today's class, we will learn about different names of the houses. Let's start our video. Number 1, apartment. Number 2, hut. Number 3, villa. Number 4, duplex. Number 5, mansion. Number 6, cottage. Number 7, bungalow. Number 8, tent. Number 9, igloo. Number 10, cabin. Number 11 is boat house. And next one is stilt house. And the last one is row house. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.